Alright, since there's not a lot of meat birds in here, I'll show you the meat bird coop. Quick design that I kind of just threw together here in a day. Works really well. The reason we don't use it as a tractor system is because they free range. But it's worked really well, and it's also a when the meat birds are dead, when we butcher those, it's also a breeding pen for the silkies that we're going to put in here. We'll clean everything out and redo it for the silkies. This is our outdoor chicken run where the chickens like to come and hang out when it's raining when they can't go outside. And this is our main coop. As you can see, the meat birds like to kind of wander off in here every once in a while. But first we feed all our layers the laying pellets, and then we let the meat birds out. That way they don't come over here and they'll gobble all the laying pellets up. We unfortunately have 3 of our silky hens going broody right now, so this is what they've given us. This is probably chicks of probably up around the 60s, 70s maybe this year so far. All silkies.